had a thought. I had a thought. And this one did not die of loneliness. So I think we're going to execute upon it. I was thinking, and I'm sure this is not a new idea. I'm sure I was influenced in a video I've watched previously that was buried down deep in the back of my mind. But I was thinking about doing spring baking. But then I hit a block. And I was like, well, what do I spring bake? What is springy? Because when we bake, it's fall, it's winter, there's a lot of cinnamon, there's a lot of allspice, nutmeg, and that's predominantly what I have. So what am I spring baking? I don't know. So I thought it would be fun, assuming that this goes well, that we would go to Hobby Lobby and let Hobby Lobby inspire our baking dish for today. Shut up. This is funny. Hobby Lobby can inspire a spring pumpkin bread. I need to stay on track. I must give off some serious Hobby Lobby vibes because a sweet lady told me, she comes up to me, she goes, I know you don't work here, but can you tell me where the bathroom is? I said, yep, sure can. Straight ahead, back the other way. Okay, so we have finished our inspirational shopping at Hobby Lobby, and I probably went overboard, but I went overboard because I'm making an entire video of this and I want it to be pretty for you guys. Just as a loving reminder, you do not have to go out and buy a whole new aesthetic for one thing that you're baking. I do this because I get a lot of enjoyment out of it. It's my hobby. I really like to do things and share them with you guys and make videos and edit videos, and so when I'm doing this, it's for a purpose that goes, it's to make things pretty. It's to make the videos in the effort that I have to make things pretty. They're not necessary, okay? So just as a reminder, you don't have to go out and buy a whole new like cherry set because you see people online doing that. It's not necessary. It's not, don't do that, okay? So anyway, I'll stop yapping. Well, I have to yap, but I'll stop rambling. Okay, so I got, hold on. Pause, please. Where's that? Okay. All right. So I'm so sure that you're already going to know what one of the inspirations are for this baking project. So I'm going to show that one to you first. Okay, so you're not really going to be surprised. Pucker up. It was $4.99. I don't think any of this stuff was on sale. Maybe it was. I don't know. Usually I'm really good about looking at that detail if they're on sale, but I'm very much so on a mission today, and it's already 9:43, and when we arrived it was 9, so I spent 43 minutes in there. Okay, here was the other inspiration. Okay, you probably already guessed this too. Why? Because we're cinnamon sisters. We know each other. Okay, lemon and strawberry. What can be light and fluffy and sweet and delicious and involve lemons and strawberries. And I think I want to make a lemon strawberry, lemon glazed, strawberry topped loaf cake. I think we're gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the things that I bought, because that's like becoming a tradition in like our Hobby Lobby shops. I show you in my truck what I got. So okay, this I'm pretty sure is like orange and vanilla. The lemon one was very pretty, but it smelled like citronella, and I didn't really want my house to smell like citronella, at least not yet. But this smells, oh yeah, it's like orange and vanilla. Oh, it's so good. My husband's gonna love that. So I got those, and then I got, because your girl does not like doing dishes, my husband is a very, very nice man, and he does the dishes. So I figured we could do disposable. So these were $4.99 and these were $4.99. I just thought that was cute, right? No creating more work. But then I got to thinking, I know if I'm gonna make something with lemon, I'm gonna have to zest. And I don't have a zester. So I did purchase a zester out of necessity because I don't have one. And then I also bought a grater, which was completely unnecessary for this trip. However, my cheese grater at home, one half of it like snapped off, and so when you grate like cheese and stuff now, like you have to be really, really careful that you don't slice your hand. And we're doing like HelloFresh now, and with HelloFresh, like there's things that you freshly grate, and I don't want my husband or myself to have to deal with like a lethal weapon. Okay, so we're gonna lay that one to rest, and we got this guy right here. And then I bought, this one has nothing to do with anything. Oh no, this one does. Wrong one. Okay. Simply for the aesthetic of the video. Nothing more, okay? But look at these. Aren't those the cutest? 1 tablespoon. Lemon. It's darling. It's too cute. I saw there was also a strawberry one, and that was a tough decision. That's probably why it took me so long, was making decisions to have to choose between the strawberry stuff and the lemon stuff. But I think that's super duper cute. And then I bought these. This is a strawberry colander pod. I already have like berry cases, but we usually use those for blueberries. So I thought this was perfect. Little strawberry container. Thought that was cute. And then I bought yellow candles because I'm going to try to set a mood. And I'm going to be shooting the like baking part of the video with we have a Sony Cinema FX30, I think, camera is what it is. And my husband uses it a lot for his YouTube channel. And I'm a simple girl. I use my phone. It's easiest, right? Everything is right there with me. I pop open the editing software that I use. I make my video. I upload my video. You know, bing, bang, boom, done. My husband's like really inspiring me and encouraging me to do better. So that part of the video is going to be filmed with that camera. So I hope you enjoy. And then I got a little lemon glass. I thought that would be cute. Pour some pink lemonade or something in it. And then little strawberry timer. Oh, this was the thing. It has nothing to do with today's video. But another candle holder. I have one just like this. I really like cast iron decor, so that's what this is. It was $4.99. And then the last thing that I purchased before we go to the store to get lemons and strawberries is this guy. It's just pretty. We're gonna go to the grocery store.